Hey everybody, welcome to another Pokemon opening. We're going to be doing a box break of the Sky Legend, aka Hidden Fates. And beautiful, beautiful artwork of the three legendary birds. My favorite three legendary birds. Well, aside from, Lugia and Ho, but it's a different story. So we're going to bust this case open. If I can do it so elegantly, and of course it never goes as good as I would like it to. Things never go this easy for me here on the channel. There we go. So, I have not determined exactly how many packs I will be opening, but nonetheless I will be opening them. And again, this is the Japanese release of Hidden Fates, Sky Legends. Now, let's get into... Oh, let me show you some of the box art on there. Really, really cool. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I love these boxes. They're so beautiful. And watch as I say that, I rip it on accident. Okay. Knock on wood. So there's some beautiful artwork. I love that artwork. Okay, so what we are going to be opening, so there's 5 cards per pack. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We'll be opening 9 packs. You know what? Let's make it 10. Let's make it 10 for even. Let's break even. And as you can see, my lucky Pikachu with the little Moltres he's holding. There we go. So let's hope he brings me some luck. So our goal is to find the trio card. I always have a hard time, the inner lining of these packs get stuck on the card sometimes. You can see it gets stuck in that corner. And of course, does not want to tear. Alright. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, oh, there it is. Alright, Lucky Pikachu it is. Holy crap. Oh, okay, well, that's a first start. Good first start. No, we'll put Pikachu right there with it. Alright, so, first pack opening. I got it. That's the card that I wanted for the collection. Alright, let's see if we can get some more, good luck going with that. Holy crap. Just like, so someone in my comment section, Nordic, said that the good cards are always in the packs hardest to open. And that is true. That's most definitely true. Alright, what do you think we got in this one? Good look at tongue. Ooh, that's cool. And ironically, got Magneton right there. His evolution looks like a UFO. And a Snowtown. That look at tongue artwork's really nice. Alright. On to the third pack. Numel. Let's go with that one. Okay. I'm still shocked that I even got this card. Very first pack open. Beautiful. The legends of the sky are real. Okay. Okay, this one's gonna be hard to open. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I don't know who that is, but okay, it's cool looking. I still can't believe that. Now I did get some. Let's see, I got the GX Lugia, and I got the other one out of the bomb impact. So I thought that was cool. Really nice artwork. Oh, that's James. Alright, that's really cool artwork. Now, I heard there is a Team Rocket card. There's a Jesse and James in this set. So let's see if I end up getting that. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. And Mr. Snowman. I might end up actually opening a couple more after these. Because these are only 5 cards per pack. So I may actually find myself opening a couple more. Ooh, Atkins and Articuno in the background. That's cool. Yeah, I am probably going to end up actually opening a couple more after this. Okay, that pack is a clean open. So, with Zapdos. Okay, that's cool. Not quite sure who that is, but that's cool nonetheless. And there's that funky looking Pokemon. Cool funky though. Like Funky Town funky. I still can't believe I got that card right off the bat though. I'm like a broken record, but man. Jeez Louise. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! You know what? Let's do let's check this out. What is that coughing at? It's somewhere amongst the cards. 'Cause I actually want to compare that really quick. I think that was a little bit a ways back in the stack. Right here. Oh, it was Weezing. So I got Jesse and Arbok and James and Weezing. That's really cool. Okay. So you know what, we're actually gonna put these guys right here. Makes me wonder if I'll get that Team Rocket card everyone's talked about. I haven't seen one in person. I have seen them around. I'm really intrigued if I've got that card somewhere in one of these packs. Oh, coughing. I was just talking about him. Alright. That's pretty cool. And then, Licky Licky. Okay, so just because of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4 more. Why not? Dare I say, why not? Why not? And every time it doesn't wanna open up. I have a feeling that that card's gonna be in one of these. The heart's in the cards. And my heart is deep in these cards. Interesting. So, that same coughing again. And, interesting. Okay. I sin by ripping the package. I hate doing that. It's such beautiful artwork. And that one again, and another Arbok. Well, John Arbuckle. An Arbok, that's what I name it. It's a Garfield reference. Not that anyone cares, but. Alright, Lickitung. Huh. Don't know who that is. That's cool looking, though. Okay, you know what? Let's bust open some more. I feel lucky. I can't be this lucky though, but I got that trio card first pack I opened. There's another one of those weird electric dudes. Come on, give me that beautiful, beautiful card. Give me it, please. I've been a good boy this year. That's cool. No, we'll put him up here. There we go. I really do wish there was more than 5 cards per pack, but I'm not going to complain. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna go the whole box. I'm just gonna do the whole box. Just to get it out of my system. Because I feel like my luck is going too good after getting that pulling that card. Alright, that's cool. Because I've wanted that trio card. I've wanted that trio card, and there's a chance I might end up getting that Team Rocket card. Huh. Looks like that same dude over there. Alright. So I swear, if I end up getting another one, I am going to have a freak out. A good freak out. Freak out. No. Freak out. My name Jeff. My name Jesse. My name James. Very nice. Oh, I see something. Okay. Nice artwork. There's looking kind of thick with that. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 packs left. Hey, it's a Slowpoke person. I think that's supposed to be from like Gold, Silver, and Crystal from the Slowpoke Cave. That's what that makes me think of. Come on, Lucky Pikachu, give him. Put him on the head for good luck. He's like a reverse Buddha. Oh, I see something. Okay. Oh, that's so cool nonetheless. And there's another Pokefan. Slowpoke bro. 1, 2, 3. Lucky Flicks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 3 more. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think there's 2 different Team Rocket cards, but oh, I love the artwork on that. I absolutely adore that artwork. Beautiful. Okay, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. One, 2, 3. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, the final pack. The final pack. I can't believe I just did this entire box. But there's no time like tomorrow, and unfortunately, it's today. You can't spell you can't spell team with an I, but you can spell pie, and you can spell meat pie, and meat is rearranged of team. There you go. Okay, so I did get really cool. Look, I don't know who that is. I'm not up to date with all this new gen. That could be, I don't know, 5th gen, 12th gen. I'm just kidding. So I got the Rocket. I got the Team Rocket Jesse and Arbok, and the Team Rocket James with Weezing. I got the beautiful trio card, and I got that Team Rocket card. I love the artwork. It's so beautiful, and the artwork, which is kind of close to that. But hey, you know what? That's all cool. That's all cool. That's the card I was aiming for, and of course, as you all just saw, first pack opened, and that was the one that I got. I don't know if I'm lucky with that. I don't know. It's oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, I got 2 more. I don't know where those came from. Okay, you know what? Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a whirl. I thought that was all. So there may just be something in here. Because I did not see those 2 packs laying on the ground. Oh, this might be a good one. 1, 2, 3. Well, and it's hard to open. Okay, well, conveniently, I don't know where those 2 came from. But if you like what I got with this poll, please let me know in the comments below. Also, consider following me on Instagram at robotic_robotic beastman. And also, check me out on Instagram. Twitter. That's what I meant to say. Twitter at The Mighty Beastman. Facebook at Official Nernerdell Beastman. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It just lets you see my stuff that pops up. Especially if you hit the notification bell, that's even better. And it helps my channel out a lot, so I really do appreciate that. So, thank you guys for watching, and remember, you gotta catch 'em all. Thanks for watching.